you want to go again so that you can make sure you land on your feet? Ooh, Hudson. Friend. No? You gotta make sure you land on your feet. Make sure we land on our feet. We gotta show our parents our cool jump. There you go. Good job. We're not drumming. Hudson and Emily. Hudson and Emily. Maureen, let's go. Good job. Try to land on your feet, sweetheart. Here's our last jump. Last jump. Make it your best. Woo! Good job. Last jump. Let's go. Good job. Last jump. Make it your best. Good job. Last jump. Last jump. Make it your best. Good job. Make sure we're landing on our feet. Good job. Last jump. Good job, Hudson. Last jump. Woohoo! Good job. Good job. Fantastic. Good job. Good job.